Hello, welcome to my Game Maker tutorial video. I'm going to teach you how to make a very basic game, a platform game, to be honest, a very basic platform game. First you want to create a new sprite. I'm going to do fairy tools, and I create choose the basic, and just make it black or whatever color you want the solid brick to be. I'm going to call it SPR underscore brick, or whatever you want to call it. Then click on the sprite again. Do another sprite. The purpose is I'm just going to do a very box. I'm making that, doing this, making a box with a smiley, happy face coming out of it. I know it's extremely creepy and bad, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll do this. Now copy that, paste it again, edit it, transform, mirror flip, mirror horizontally, and you face the other way. You get two things facing each other. Now that's SPR layer. And final thing, if you want to add it, you don't really need it yet, is depth block. So what I'm going to do is I'm just literally going to make a red spike on the Java. Pretty good name for it, red spike on the Java. I'm going to call that SPR. Okay, now I've done that. Close that up. Now create a new object by right clicking on this or pushing the object button. Now select SPR wall with the sprite and call it OBJ wall. And just check solid, visible and solid. Now create a new object and call it OBJ player. And make sure it is sprite player. And now, well, I'm just going to create this one right now. SPR spike OBJ spike. Okay, create. This is your screen. Now, okay, there's two ways you can do this. Yeah. Now, the first way is you could select this in the sub image one like that. Second way, like that, change sprite under. Second way is to type execute code and image speed equals 0. Now, because I want to make this in drag and drop, I'm not going to do that. So, sprite player has an okay. And step check empty y1 relative only solid must be relative. Then set the gravity by direction 270 gravity 0.4, 0.5, and 0.6. Really I'm going to do 0.5, it's in the middle, we don't make it big up, not relative, do not check that box. Then else, gravity 270. So what this does is there's a solid block on the not underneath you, you have to do it. Okay, now the next one you want to do is collision with object move. You want to do move the content, direction, and I misspelled that awfully, maximum 12, and then set the vertical speed to 0. Okay, now we've got the ring basic done. Now, next is keyboard left. Now, check empty, x minus 4. You don't have to put minus 4, but you have to change the number of every single other move. Relative, must be relative, and it is solid. Then, go to control, again, get start block and end. That. That's what that was. Then jump to position x minus 4, must be relative. Change sprite player something is 1 speed 0. Remember, they must be facing each other for this to work in this. There. No, don't do that. Right click, duplicate, keyboard, right. Change that to 4. Change this one to 4. Change this one to 0. Okay, now we need to go to key press up. Go to this Y1 relative only solid. The verification position right below you. Set the vertical speed to minus. I'm gonna say 9. And then we have it. Okay. Now the next thing, we've got all this. The depth. I'm gonna have to really basic depth, and if you touch a spike, so collision with object spike. Restart room. Now let's give you an effect. You don't have to do this, you can have a massive depth animation. You probably don't know how to if you're watching this, but still. Now I'm gonna create a room. Now first I'm gonna change the background color to a nicer color. I'm going to change it to like this change you can use nice blue color. Now objects, let's add like a wall. Actually, another thing you might want to do right now is go your player, duplicate this event outside room, and this last room, and then when you jump outside this blue box, it will kill you. Which is kind of why I'm trying to fill this all in with really glitching at the moment. You hold shift, you can wrap the place like this. You can make a couple of platforms. Also, with this kind of balloon, the player doesn't tend to fit through one gap, so it's 2. And then you can put them on the screen. Just put spikes there. If you feel like it. Put our object play there. Now one final thing you might want to do is create an object like a goal object. I'm just going to make this a green square. I'm going to call it SPR goal. And the object OBJ goal. And do select goal. At event collision with object player, go to next room wherever effect you want. You don't have a next room. Another thing I will do, if next room exists, go to next room like that. Then I'm gonna call this something, I'm gonna say this. Stick a goal there. I honestly don't know what it's gonna turn out like. Gravity Wars. 2. I'm not gonna modify it much more. Do that. Yes, spikes here, I guess. Spike there. Platform there. Up there. I'm not gonna save it. I'm getting it. As you can see, I have Google SketchUp open. I'm going to press F4. You probably can't see the very bottom of the screen right now. I know. I'm going to need to pick up for you. Actually, I've made a massive prediction. I cannot jump that high. Okay, let me just drag that back in. I need to move it a little bit lower. Actually, instead of making it lower, let's make his jump height a little bit higher by increasing this number. Now let's play it again. Now I'm going to play it again. Make it full screen. And now we've got quite a higher jump. When we face this way, he faces that way. When we touch a spike, we face out, get there in. You can jump up out like a wild madman with your screen. Kills us. Or you get defeated, or you lose a life. You touch the green square, goes to the next room. With gravity, we can hit both. Let's go. Touch the screen, and there's not a room afterwards. It doesn't do anything. As you can see, hope this tutorial helped you. And maybe making more of this make it successful. Is successful, sorry.